Right, so we've got to cut this small round hole out for the shower head. So I'm going to use a diamond bit for that, and I'll show you how it's done. First of all, measure to the centre of the hole. Remember to put a spacer in, just so you get the right measurement. It's whatever the measurement is, minus an eighth. Draw a little cross where your hole's going to go. Put it over a bucket. That's one part of the bit, which is a suction bit that holds the water to stop the actual drill bit burning out. So you push that on, line up your hole, put some water in there, and then put your drill bit in your drill, drill it. Once you can feel it going through at the end, start slowing down, because otherwise you could follow through and crack the toe. So just take it nice and easy. And these bits come in various sizes as well, so they make life very easy when you're tiling the shower. That's it, beautiful, job done.